Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Busola here again. Thank you all for the likes and subscription in my previous video. I'm always gonna be thankful to you. And if you're new to my channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button down below. You need to click the subscribe button because you don't want to miss what I'm gonna share with you in subsequent videos and even in this video. So thank you for joining my channel today. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you my natural hair care routine, my daily hair care routine to maintain and achieve maximum hair growth, as you can see, which I showed you in my previous video. So I'm going to show you the product I use and what I put together to get this result. Now the first thing you need to know in your daily hair care routine is the importance of conditioning your hair. Your hair has to be well moisturized and conditioned. So this is what I use. I use the Cantu leave-in conditioner. That's what I use for my hair. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. So I just take a little quantity. As you can see, I could put it on the nape of my palm here, my hand. And all I do is to apply it in the lines, as you can see. Apply it in the lines. I'm going to take some more. Now I'm done applying it. All I just need to do is to, rub it in. At least I forget there's a section at the edge here. So now that I've applied it, the second thing I do is to moisturize the conditioner, to massage the conditioner into my scalp, as you can see me do. So I do the two edges first, so I'm sure it gets to everywhere. Just few seconds in each area. You could just calculate like 5 to 10 seconds in each area, and then I do the upper part of this section like this, and then I go to the next. Now people, this is how I try to massage the treatments into my hair. That's the reason, as I shared with you in the previous video, that's the reason why I made my cornrows in this protective style, to enable me to have access to massage the treatments in. At least I forget the front section. Now after I'm done massaging the conditioner into my hair, I let it sit for a while and still like continue doing some massage, so you can see. Now what you need to understand is while you massage your scalp, you're stimulating the blood flow in the areas you're massaging, which will in turn result in growth, enhanced growth of your hair when you keep massaging like I'm doing. Now the next thing I'm going to do right now is to apply my hair treatment, and my hair treatment consists of natural oils that I put together due to their different functionalities and what they do. So now this is my treatment here. I've already put it in a container. Now I had to make this together, so in my next video I'm going to be showing you how I made them, what I put, how I got the paste. So in here is contained Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and carrot oil. Now these 4 ingredients are what I put together here. And then the last but not the least, my virgin hair fertilizer, as you all know. This guy does wonders, so I couldn't get all my mixture without this. So yeah, I put them together and I make the paste. So in my next video, as I said, I'm going to show you how I achieve this. So very quickly, I'm just going to show you, just as I applied the conditioner, I'm gonna apply this as well, as you can see. Now this consistency, when done, could have like an unpleasant smell. So you could add, what I do is I add essential oils to give it a different fragrance so it doesn't smell awful. It's lunch time for my hair, people. Eating all the content I'm putting in. Just drowning them. At least I forget the front section is very important. Okay, so now I just massage it in. And for the front massage, I do it in circular motion, as you can see for the front section. Circular motions, circular motions. can see, I've gotten the product in all areas of the hair section. Now the next thing I do in my daily hair care routine, now least I mentioned, I do this mostly at night so I can sleep in on it, and by morning everything is set to go. So the next thing I do is I take my airbrush. I've got a little toothbrush that I converted, so I just brush in my edges, as you can see. And when I'm done with that, I take my silk scarf, this kind, or you could use the big one if that's what you have. Then I just lay it down, as you can see, and then I bring it forward. This on, and then I take my silk cap and then I just wear it to protect every other part of the hair, as you can see. So nothing is really showing right now, so I could just tuck out my hairs. And people, that is my daily hair care routine for you. So please make sure you leave a comment down below if there's something you want me to show in my next video. And if you love what I did, you could also replicate that on your hair, and I can assure you you're gonna get the same result. Now pardon the different colors, it's just what I have in the meantime. So thank you so much for staying on my channel, and please make sure to click the subscribe button if you're yet to do that, and I'm going to be bringing you more interesting content. As I said in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the hair treatment, the oils together. So thank you so much, and do have a great day.